Halloween is a time when our homes begin to whisper secrets of the supernatural, when every corner glows a little more orange and every breeze feels a little more mysterious. And while pumpkins, spider webs, and eerie lighting often steal the spotlight, there's one piece of decor that quietly but powerfully sets the tone before anyone even steps through the door: the Halloween wreath. It might seem like a simple ring of materials at first glance, but a wreath holds symbolic meaning that stretches back through centuries, originally representing cycles of life and protection. In the context of Halloween, it becomes something more, a welcome sign into a world of fantasy, fright, and festive fun. Whether your wreath is mysterious and moody, quirky and cute, or straight-up spine-chilling, it offers guests and passersby a hint of what to expect inside, or a delicious mystery of the unknown. Today, we're exploring the many layers of Halloween wreaths. These circular masterpieces aren't just about decor, they're about mood, narrative, creativity, and the joy of celebration. From the materials you choose to the vibe you craft, each wreath tells a story that's uniquely yours. Every Halloween wreath is a narrative waiting to unfold. It may not speak in words, but it communicates clearly, a silent but striking invitation to embrace the spirit of the season. Like a book cover or the opening scene of a film, your wreath sets the emotional tone of your Halloween environment. A wreath draped in tattered black fabric, accented with dried moss and a single crow perched at the top, suggests mystery and mourning, something straight out of a gothic novel. Meanwhile, one made of candy corn, gingham bows, and googly-eyed ghosts evokes lighthearted fun, nostalgia, and childhood memories of trick-or-treating with pillowcases and glow sticks. Wreaths also give you a canvas to reflect the mood you want to create, whether you're imagining a witch's cottage hidden deep in a misty forest, a haunted Victorian manor echoing with ghostly whispers, or a vibrant Halloween carnival full of laughter and games. In just a few decorative choices, you can capture an entire world in one circular frame. What makes wreaths so compelling is their power to instantly transform a space. They're the first note in your Halloween symphony, quietly playing their tune long before the door opens or the fog machine kicks in. Love these spooky wreath ideas? Like and share this video with your fellow Halloween decorators. The components of your wreath matter just as much as the design. Materials are the voice of your theme, and Halloween offers a wonderfully broad palette to play with. Grapevine bases are a popular foundation. They bring an earthy, slightly wild aesthetic that works beautifully with both natural and haunted forest styles. They're perfect for weaving in dried foliage, black feathers, fake moss, or tiny bones for a more organic, slightly eerie effect. If you're going for something cleaner or more structured, wire or foam bases allow you to tightly pack on layers of fabric, ribbon, or artificial flowers. Black lace, burlap, tulle, velvet, and even leather strips can add texture and elegance to your wreath. Adding dimensional objects like small skulls, potion bottles, crystal balls, eyeballs, or fake snakes turns it into a mini scene rather than just a frame. And don't overlook the power of lighting. Battery-operated string lights, LED flickers, or even glow-in-the-dark paint can add depth and drama. Color plays a massive role. Orange and black are timeless, but rich purples, deep reds, eerie greens, and shimmering silver or gold elevate the design. For something unexpected, consider monochrome black on black with different textures, or even a pastel Halloween palette for a softer, spooky cute look. Your material choices give voice to your imagination. Every element you include, every texture, every glint of light, is another brushstroke on your Halloween canvas. Which Halloween wreath style fits your vibe, elegant, eerie, or over-the-top spooky? Tell us in the comments below. One of the joys of Halloween decorating is choosing your place on the spectrum between scary and stylish, and wreaths are the perfect place to experiment with this balance. Some homes go all in on horror, with wreaths made of faux barbed wire, broken dolls, bloodied gauze, or gory props. Others lean toward elegance, matte black roses, velvet ribbons, glittering skulls, and antique keys artfully arranged in symmetry. There's no wrong approach, but the trick is harmony. A well-crafted Halloween wreath doesn't need to shock. Sometimes, subtle creepiness speaks louder than gore. A skeletal hand gently holding a wilted flower, or a pair of old, cloudy glass eyes nestled in velvet folds, can be far more unsettling than fake blood. If you're decorating with children or for a community event, lean toward whimsy, happy ghosts, googly eyes, cartoon bats, or even plushy pumpkins. These elements create a welcoming sense of play and fun. On the other hand, if you want to impress Halloween party guests or go full haunted mansion, don't be afraid to layer in cobwebs, antique lace, and shadowy silhouettes. The most captivating wreaths often walk the line between fright and finesse. A little mystery, a touch of elegance, and a dash of the unexpected can result in a design that's both stylish and spine-tingling. Want more Halloween DIYs and home decor inspo? Hit subscribe and join us for more hauntingly fun ideas. Crafting your own Halloween wreath is more than a decorative task, it's a creative ritual. There's something incredibly satisfying about sitting down with a pile of seasonal supplies and turning them into something that feels personal, inspired, and a little bit magical. Start with a theme that excites you, witches, haunted woods, vintage Halloween, mad scientist, cursed carnival, whatever sparks your imagination. Then begin gathering your materials, whether from craft stores, nature walks, thrift shops, or your own forgotten Halloween box from years past. Making your wreath allows for storytelling through objects. That plastic spider ring you wore as a kid? It now lives nestled in cobwebs on your wreath. The ribbon from last year's costume? It becomes a bold visual element. Personal touches, like handwritten spell tags, pages from old books, or even a vintage brooch from a family member, turn your creation into something rich with meaning. DIY also allows for experimentation. You can build your wreath layer by layer, adjusting along the way until it feels just right. Maybe you realize it needs more texture, or it's calling for a bold central piece like a witch's hat or small cauldron. That process of building, of making, remaking, and perfecting is part of the magic. At the end of the day, DIY wreath making is a celebration of Halloween's most powerful tool, creativity. It's where spooky meets soulful. A Halloween wreath is more than just decor, it's a reflection of the season's spirit. Quietly hanging on your door, it tells a story of creativity, mystery, and celebration. In a time of illusion and transformation, the wreath becomes a symbol, a handmade portal into your Halloween world. Haunting or whimsical, simple or bold, it captures the heart of the season in one timeless, turning circle.